Choosing a drawing tablet can feel overwhelming. Pen displays, standalone tablets, pressure levels, color gamuts, and all you want is something that feels like paper and gets ideas out fast. In this video, we break down the 7 best drawing tablets that make sketching and editing easier so you can focus on creating, not troubleshooting. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Huion Kamvas 16. If you want a budget-friendly pen display that still feels premium, Huion kamvas 16 nails the essentials. The full laminated screen reduces the gap between pen tip and cursor, so lines land exactly where you expect. The matte, anti-glare surface keeps reflections low, giving you a paper-like feel under bright lights. Color looks vibrant and consistent across viewing angles, which is great when you are sharing the screen with a client or rotating the tablet to ink comfortably. The combination of high resolution and crisp texture makes fine hatching. Typography and color flats feel precise instead of fussy. The battery-free pen supports tilt and subtle pressure transitions, so shading and brushwork come naturally. 2 pen buttons are easy to map for quick actions like eraser and eyedropper, trimming repetitive clicks from your routine and keeping your hands in the flow. Setup is simple. Use the 3-in-1 cable to keep your desk tidy or go single cable USB-C on compatible laptops. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Xxpen 13.3 Pro. Xxpen 13.3 Pro gives you a compact, color-accurate canvas that fits small desks without feeling cramped. The fully laminated display cuts parallax, while the wide color coverage keeps gradients smooth and skin tones believable. You can sit off-axis and still trust what you are seeing. The standout is the red dial. Zoom, rotate, or change brush size with a natural thumb motion. No hunting for sliders mid-stroke. 8 customizable shortcut keys round out a layout that speeds up everything from sketching to late-stage polish so you spend less time menu diving. The battery-free stylus is comfortable for long sessions. It tracks light touches well, recognizes tilt, and keeps line weight predictable. The included pen case and spare nibs mean you are ready for months of work without a supply run. Compatibility is broad, from Windows and Mac OS to Chrome and Linux, and it plays nicely with mainstream creative apps. Whether you are laying out comics, painting backgrounds, or sculpting in 3-dimensional software, this tablet keeps your workspace streamlined and responsive. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Xxpen Artist Pro 19. When you want a big, razor-sharp canvas with studio-grade color, Xxpen Artist Pro 19 delivers. The 18.4-inch 4K screen makes tiny edits easy. Lettering, texture cleanup, and intricate line art all feel less tedious when you can zoom and still see the whole composition clearly. Color accuracy is a headline feature. With verified performance across web, print, and film-oriented gamuts, you can grade illustrations for social, prep photos for magazines, and check cinematic palettes without second-guessing. Smooth gradients bring painterly work to life and keep banding at bay. The etched anti-glare glass adds gentle tooth, so the pen glides with control. Long sessions feel comfortable on the eyes thanks to reduced reflections and low blue light care. It is the kind of surface that encourages confident strokes and fewer undue cycles. 2 styluses give you choice, a slender pen for delicate line control and a roller-style option that feels natural for blocking and blending it. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Ugee Fun Drawing Pad. Prefer a standalone tablet that runs creative apps without a computer? Ugee Fun Drawing Pad blends a large display with travel-friendly weight, so you can sketch on the couch, at a cafe, or on the bus and pick up exactly where you left off at your desk. Performance feels snappy thanks to a modern processor and fresh operating system. Brushes stay responsive, layers switch quickly, and multitasking, reference boards, music, chat, does not bog you down. Fast charging and a big battery mean you create longer and top up quickly between sessions. The screen's nano-matte finish reduces glare and adds a controlled glide to the pen. Color is rich and balanced, making it easy to match mood boards or client brand palettes. Eye care features keep long drawing days more comfortable, especially in bright studios. A unique Ugee lets you flip the display into paper-style modes for reading or monochrome sketching, which is handy for storyboarding, note-taking, or reviewing thumbnails. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Xxpen Magic Pad. Xxpen Magic Pad takes the standalone idea further with an advanced stylus and a portable, creator-focused design. The pen recognizes extremely subtle pressure differences, so calligraphy, cross-hatching, and delicate texture passes come out exactly as intended without fighting the curve. The 12.2-inch screen hits a sweet spot, big enough for full-page layouts, compact enough for travel. Its etched finish adds paper-like control, while the tall aspect ratio gives more room for tool palettes without crowding the canvas. Wide color coverage keeps your palettes lively and consistent. You get a complete mobile studio. Popular drawing and painting apps are ready to install, and memberships to 2 favorites help you start fast or try new workflows. Storage is generous and expandable, so you can keep brushes, textures, and references on hand. Battery life supports long sessions, and the slim, lightweight build means it disappears into a messenger bag. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Huion kamvas 16, Gen 3. For artists who crave crisp detail and a refined pen feel, Huion kamvas 16, Gen 3 is a powerful pen display upgrade. The 2.5K resolution on a 15.8-inch panel gives you dense pixel detail without overwhelming your desk, perfect for comic panels, portraits, and interface work. Color accuracy is strong across web and video standards, so what you paint is what your audience sees. The nano-etched canvas glass provides a natural texture and fights glare, and full lamination reduces parallax for precise inking along rulers or perspective guides. The latest pen technology improves initial activation force and pressure range, making feather-light strokes register cleanly. Tilt feels predictable, and the smaller nib shape improves sight lines for tight detail work. It is an excellent blend of control and comfort. Dual dials and 6 silent keys let you map zoom, rotate, brush size, or timeline scrubbing. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Picassotab X11. If you are new to digital art or teaching yourself from home, Picassotab X11 is the easiest way to start strong and keep growing. It is a complete package, a standalone tablet, a precise stylus, core accessories, and access to popular art and animation apps so you can begin drawing on day 1. What sets it apart is the guided learning. Step-by-step tutorials help you master fundamentals, line confidence, shading, proportions, and then push into animation, comic layout, and character design. You learn while making real pieces, which is motivating and fast. The screen is fully laminated with anti-glare, so it feels close to paper and stays comfortable in changing light. Performance is more than enough for layered illustrations, and there is ample storage for brushes, references, and finished work. It doubles for entertainment too, so you can stream or study between drawing sessions. Portable and well-equipped, it fits easily into a backpack and sets up anywhere. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best drawing tablets you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.